Good afternoon and happy Saturday, people. So that's me fucking done for this week. Back again on Monday. So this is literally where I have got to. So the base panels are on, the backing panels, sorry, are on the wardrobe. Trim piece down. That obviously is going to have to be removed yet. Chop out of the bottom so I can get the piece to come round there. So that's the job, first job for Monday morning. That can get the electrics and everything running. Fucking post never turned up, so I'm still waiting for the fittings for these, for the water pipes. Obviously shower wall wants sealing in yet. Sink going there. Obviously shower tray, toilet base, and then obviously the toilet unit itself be there. Kitchen, top unit in. So it's just grey washed. It's literally just grey washed, grey painted, fucking sanded off. So the doors are just going to be shaker doors, lift ups, thin shaker doors. That's pretty much it. I've done fucking nothing on this side yet. Pretty knackered today, if I'm honest with you. So gives me a chance to bit of an early finish today. Get off home, get ready for boxing. Till bare knuckle tonight. That is your fucking lot, mate. That is the fucking lot so far. So I will see you on Monday. Have a good weekend.